If we no kpai corruption, corruption go kpai us. Now, Oga President Muhammadu Buhari na talk this one. Oga President Muhammadu Buhari don talk say his administration will continue to fight corruption so that corruption go end inside our obodo Nigeria kpatakpata. Oga President talk this one when EFCC carry waka go Aso Rock to show Oga President one manual wey be operating procedures. Chairman of EFCC Abdulrasheed Bawa talk say these operating procedures go help members of EFCC know their work and do their work well.
We are looking forward for an EFCC where, as the executive chairman, if I issue a directive to a junior officer, he will look me in the face and say, "Sir, I understand your instruction, but I cannot carry it out because it is contrary to our policies or standard operational procedure." Our promise today is that the EFCC will always get any criminal anywhere, anytime.
Oga Chairman Bawa talk say EFCC don get over 2,220 convictions, come still recover 152 billion naira and $385 million.
I will lead an agency that will be the pride of our dear nation, Nigeria.
Oga President say he happy well sake of say EFCC get this kind of documents. He come still talk say administration dey gidigba to fight corruption comot for our obodo Naija.
I need not to underscore the importance of today's occasion, but let me remind you that the stakes are high, but national expectations are higher. Therefore, we must continue to strive and deal decisively with matters in accordance with the rule of law. I invite you all to fight corruption in all its ramifications and join us to entrench good governance values and integrity within all our systems. As I have often said, if we do not kill corruption, corruption will kill us as a nation.
Oga President come warn EFCC say for 2023 make dem no stay their while take of politics matter and make dem leave politics for politicians.
I must advise the leadership and operatives of the Commission to resist the temptation of being used to partisan politics or be dragged into personal disputes. Your job is to serve the nation in the efforts to entrench good governance.
Omwaluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.